Dear students, good morning to everyone. This is Alagesh Narumkam, the founder and director of Aisha BPM 360 company. Now we can see some of the general mental ability concepts, right, which will help you to cover the syllabus in short period of time. Okay, we will start with this analogy first. Okay, I just want to cover the concept with some one or two examples for each and every type. That's it. So that you can be in a position to revise this entire concept in one day itself. Okay, that is the objective of these sessions. Okay. Let me open the whiteboard for you right now. Analogy. You may expect a question from this one. Okay, it depends. Okay, what is an analogy in this case? It's nothing but a similarity in terms of reasoning. Okay, the similarity is called logical similarity between two or more things on the basis of shapes, size, color, properties. Okay, analogy is of four types. This is important for you right now. Number analogy, and then letter analogy, word analogy, and letter and the number analogy. Okay, we'll see one by one in this case. Okay, number analogy. So we need to see, for this kind of questions, we need to see the relationship between the given numbers in this case. Okay. For example, they may give like this: 3:3 proportional to 6:2. They give like that. What is this one? This is number analogy in this case. Okay. So what are different types of relationship we have between the numbers in this case? One number, right, is a multiple of other in this case. One number is a multiple of other. Okay, and one number is the square or square root of the other. Is cube or cube root of other in this case, right? It can be consecutive. Numbers can be consecutive, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, etc. So we can see all those relationships between the numbers, given numbers. That's important. Okay. Maybe it may be have any other arithmetic relationship in this plus, minus, multiplication, and division, right? Arithmetic relationship in this case. In this case, what is the relationship in this case? 3 to the power of 4 is 81 in this case, right? So 3 is to 3 to the power of 4 is given there in this case. Therefore, what is the answer should be 6 is to 6 to the power of 4. What is 6 to the power of 4 is 1296. We just find out this one. Okay. So the answer for this particular question is 1296. The given options are choice A is 1296, choice B is 1269, choice C is 1692, and choice D is 1926. 1296 choice A is the right answer of this case. Okay. This is an example of number analogy. So what you have to do in this case, you need to find the relation between the two numbers here in this case. What is the relation there? It may be a square root of another numbers, may be the square or square root of each other, cube or cube root of the other in this case, consecutive or even number or odd number or prime number in this case, or any other relationship, right? Plus, minus, arithmetic, division, addition, subtraction, all those things will be there. We need to check all for all those relationships between these given numbers in this case. Then only we'll be in a position to find the respective relation in the other area in this case. So we'll be in a position to find the analogy in this case. Okay. So this is an example of number analogy. Okay. We can move to the next one right now. Okay. Next concept, because I just want to cover the concept mostly here in this particular section rather than working out problems. Working out problems you can do a lot. Okay. But now this session is basically focusing on concepts only in this case. Okay. We'll move to the next one. This letter analogy. Okay. So I can just see this example right now. Okay, A is to E proportional to I is to what? The I's as choices are A. This is O, B is P, and C is Q, and D is R. This is an example of letter analogy. Okay, we can have one more example right now. AD is to KN, right? Proportional to PS, B. What is the other letter we need to find out? Okay, it might be A is X, B is Y, C is Z, and D is A. So we need to find out this example in this case. What is a letter analogy in this case? Okay, we need to remember this one right now. Before this one, A, right? A, B, C, D, and so on. Into X, Y, Z, right? We need to assign numbers for these numerical values. We need to know that. This is the fourth letter. This is 24, 25, and 26 letter. This is important first of all. Okay. When you want to solve these problems, we need to remember this one. Okay. Similarly, like reverse also, we need to know that if they are reverse 1, 2, 3, something like that, we need to know that these are the ways you can find out, right? This is important from this perspective in this case. Okay. And also, like you need to remember the opposite letters in this case. That is also there. That is also there. Okay. But with this foundation, we will be in a position to work on this one. For example, here in this case, AE, right? AEI, AU is a vowels in this case, right? AE, IOU in this case. O should be the answer in this case. It's a straightforward question. Okay. So missing term is equal to IO in this case. So this one is related to AD. AD means A plus 3 is equal to D, right? A plus 3, that is equal to D. Similarly, K plus 3, KLMN, right, is equal to N. Therefore, in this case, P plus C, P plus 3, right? QRS, PQRS, right? So S is coming to picture. Similarly, P plus 3 is equal to XYZ. So answer should be insert. Z is the right answer in this case. The UVWXYZ, right? WXY. So Y is the answer in this case. Okay. So the WXY. So Y is the answer for this particular question. It's just an example of letter analogy. So what you need to remember as part of this one, we need to assign numerical digits for the each and every number in this case. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. And also you can shortcut, you can remember in terms of E is 5, like letter 5 is E, right? E is 5. J is 10 in this case, right? O is 15, and then T is 20, and Y is 25. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This will help you to do the problems in the shorter way, fastest way in this case. Okay, that you need to remember in this case. Okay, from the reverse, if you see that, just find out this case. So this is for the forward perspective I'm talking about. Okay, this will help you to solve the problems easily when it comes to letter analogy. Okay, we can move to the next one. Okay, which is related to word analogy in this case, right? Word analogy. We can see what is a word analogy in this case. Sailor is there. It's an example I'm giving it. Sailor, ship is there. Proportional to lawyer. What is the one they are asking you? Choice A is legal. Choice B is law. Choice C is court. And choice D is ruling. We need to know a little bit of English for this one. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to answer this one. The sailor works at the ship in this case. If you see sailors only, it is usually like they work in the ship in this case. Lawyer, they will work in the court in this case. Therefore, choice C is the right answer in this case. Okay, we can have one more example here in this case. Okay, so that you can get the understanding. Yeah, Japan is there. This is word analogy. Tokyo. So W is to Pakistan is there. Choice A. What is that one in this case? Lahore. Choice B. Islamabad, right? Faizabad. Islamabad. Choice C. Kanpur. And choice D is Islamabad, right? We see that Japan, capital of Japan is Tokyo in this case. Therefore, Pakistan, capital of Pakistan is nothing but Islamabad in this case. Therefore, answer D is the right answer. So, if you know the relationship, it requires some kind of general knowledge also there in this case. Okay, then only you can correctly answer these questions. Otherwise, it will be difficult, tricky one in this case. Okay, if you know the relationship between different areas, right, then you will be in a position to answer this question correctly. It requires a lot of practice. Okay, but the concept I just want to tell you right now, it is some relationship between the two words given there. Actually, we need to similarly find a proper relationship with the other two words in this case. That's it. That's how we need to solve this particular problem. The final one is letter number analogy. Letter number analogy. How to do this one in this case? Okay. So I can explain the same thing with an example in this case. PALZ. Okay. 1611 226 proportional to TIP is to question mark. This is what is this. What you have to do in this case? We need to similarly find the relations between these two in this case. Analogy means you need to find the relation between these two, and similarly you need to find the relation between these two in this case. Okay. What are the choices we are given there? Choice A is nothing but 201015. Choice B is equal to 151020. Choice C 20916, and choice D 16920. Okay. See, first of all, we'll see P, letter P, right? What is the relation between these two? We can see that. So, letter P is nothing but the KLMNOP, right? It is 16. So, 16th letter in this case. A is first letter, right? L is A, KL. It is 12th letter in this case, right? And Z is 26th letter. This is what is given here in this case. So it is the position of the letter. It is given here in this case. So therefore, this T is equal to 20, right? And J K L I, this is 13. Okay. IJ. So ninth position is given there in this case. Okay. MNOP. This is 16th position in this case. You see that this is the answer in this case. So choice C is the correct answer in this particular question, because what we are trying to do means we are trying to find the relation between this number as well as the letter in this case. That's it. That is because it is a question of the letter is sometimes the reverse order will be given in this case. So we need to find out. So make sure you are aware of the reverse number also there. That will help you to solve these problems easily. But it requires some kind of practice there. If you practice the 4 or 5 questions on this area, then definitely it will be easy for you to understand it. Okay. I think this all we can have one more question so that you can understand it correctly, and then we can close the section for this one. Okay. Name. Okay. Colon 13261422 is 2 W is to CAT. What is this one? Choice A is 24267. Choice B is 26247, and choice C is 42726, and choice D is 27264. So it is nothing but it is given in the reverse order in this case. Okay, A. This is number from the reverse order. Actually, like if you see there A B C D, A, I can write it here. That's what I told you. We need to have the relations like that: A B C D E F G H X Y Z. This is first number. 2. If we are going in this direction, this is 26, right? A is given as 26 in this case. This N is given as the reverse way. N is equal to 13. A is equal to 26, and then M is equal to 14 in this case. Mn, okay, Nm, okay, and then E is equal to 22nd letter. So this is what is given there. So CAT, we need to see what is the letter. T is 20 means 27 minus of 20, that is equal to 6. 7 is there. No, C is the one. C 7 is should be the last one in this case. Okay, either this one or this one in this case. So C is the one in the third, 24th letter in this case. Therefore, answer is A. I can say this answer should be A. Okay, because this is 7. Because what we can do when we want to know the position means we can subtract the number. 27 minus what is the position? For example, Z means 1 means 0, 26 is there. Okay, that is the one which we have it in this case. Okay, similarly, we can if you want to put what is the WXYZ, W means 27 minus of this is for the forward stuff we'll be having it. Okay, 23rd number in this case. Okay, so don't confuse this one. So point is like you need to put the reverse one. You can write it in your paper itself, and then you can find it in this case. Okay, don't confuse those things there. There is no need to bypass all those stuff. Just go the assign the number for each and every alphabets, and then you can accordingly work out with this one. Okay, fine. This is all about analogy, and then we can stop the sessions right now with respect to analogy right now, and then we can continue with the arithmetic, general mental ability sessions in the upcoming session. Thank you very much. Happy learning.